Peter Parker.
Peter Parker. And what are they doing?
Having a picnic.
Having a picnic.
But this is a pet dog.
And what happened while they were having a picnic?
A tornado coming!
A tornado?
Oh no! Wait, what? It was surviving.
A tornado?
Yeah, it was surviving.
Oh my god, do you feel that rumbling? That rumbling in the ground? It's an earthquake!